Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, lived two best friends named Mika and Liam. Mika was a bubbly, adventurous soul with a contagious laugh, while Liam was the calm and collected Een to her young. Their friendship was a beautiful blend of mischief and warmth. Mika and Liam had been friends since they were kids, having met in the neighborhood playground. From building forts to exploring hidden trails in the woods, they were inseparable. Their friendship blossomed over shared jokes, late-night talks, and endless cups of hot chocolate. Their childhood was filled with countless adventures. They climbed trees, chased fireflies, and made up their own games. No matter what mischief they got into, they always had each other's backs. As they grew older, Mika and Liam navigated the ups and downs of high school together. From navigating crushes to acing exams, they were each other's pillars of support. But amidst the laughter and fun, there were also moments of heartbreak and disappointment. One day, Liam fell in love with a girl named Emma, and Mika's heart broke into a million pieces. She realized she had feelings for Liam beyond friendship, but she buried them deep within her heart, afraid to ruin their friendship. As Liam's relationship with Emma grew stronger, Mika felt herself drifting apart from her best friend. Their once inseparable bond began to weaken, and Mika struggled to come to terms with her unrequited feelings. But just when it seemed like their friendship was lost forever, fate intervened. Liam realized that his feelings for Emma were fleeting, but his love for Mika was eternal. With tears in his eyes, he confessed his love to her, and Mika's heart soared with joy. And so, Mika and Liam's friendship blossomed into a beautiful love story. They laughed together, cried together, and grew old together, their bond stronger than ever. And as they danced under the twinkling stars, they knew that their love would last a lifetime. As the sun sets on their story, one thing is certain: the adventures of Mika and Liam will live on forever in the hearts of those who believe in the magic of friendship and love.